Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your virus, adware, bloatware, and all that stuff that's malicious on your computer. So what you guys want to do is be sure to install this free software, which doesn't obviously cost anything. There's no virus or anything like that. So let's get started. So obviously I'm going to give credit. Malwarebytes, I knew about it before. It's been a while since I've known about it, but the other website I'm going to be showing you guys, I did see it from another guy's video. I will be giving credit to him, so be sure to check out his video. He uses some of the same methods I do, which I made a Windows PC tutorial, the same thing for Mac except on Windows. So I've made this tutorial before, but I found out that they actually have it for Mac, so I might as well give you guys some insight on how to get rid of those viruses. So step number one, what you guys want to do is click download free right here where it says Malwarebytes. The link is in the description below. All you gotta do is click it and it'll send you straight here. Now that you guys download it, click the little download onto your bottom left. Click continue and go through all this installation process. Click agree. Alright guys, so you want to click move to trash. Then what you guys want to do is go straight to the Malwarebytes. Then go to scan. Click start scan. Now while it's initiating, make sure nothing is running in the background. You guys can tell if it's running if it has a little dot on the bottom. Try to clear it out. Now if you guys don't know how to clear it, double tap, click quit, and you should be good to go. Now let's check the second method I have for you guys. So let's click the other link. Now what you guys want to just click free download, and this is the method I did get from the other guy, so make sure to go check it out. Click adware removal, double tap it, open, click search for adware, then it basically closes out your Google Chrome. Now what you guys want to do is, if you guys don't have anything, you're chilling, you're fine, and if you do, keep going with the steps to remove it. And click close, you're chilling. Now that it says congratulations, you are clean, most likely you won't have this since I clean mine around every week or so. Make sure you guys, it's gonna say something like, oh, you have a list of Trojans and all this other stuff. Click quarantine, then click clear quarantine. Basically it's gonna clear it all, it's gonna erase it, the virus, and basically it's gonna restart your computer and you should be good to go. Trust me guys, I trust this software with my life. It's one of the best. I've actually gotten my Windows computer super clean because of it, and my Mac computer, so that's a really good thing. That's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to check out my clout on Twitter. Love you guys so much for that. Stay subscribed. Help me hit 10K guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.